Rathi and I'm 15 years old. I'd like to answer these questions now. How was your tour? The tour was excellent in terms of enhancing my cricketing skills and the experience of playing against really strong British teams, and also bettering my skills in the art of leadership. Uh, how was your performance? My main performances were scoring 70 and getting 4 wickets against skilled Scorpions. The rest were just the rest of the performances were just contributing to the team scores by scoring in around mid-20s and getting 1, 2 or 3 wickets respectively. Have I completed my diary? Yes, I have completed my diary, except for today. What were the positives of the tour? The positives were that I enhanced my leadership skills, more than I was, and my confidence in batting rose up by a very big margin after I scored my first 50, I scored 70, and even my bowling after I got 4 wickets. What were the low keys of the tour? My low keys were that I was not consistent in my bowling and bowling the same line and length again and again. I was more tempted by the turn I got. After I got my rhythm, I lost. I was getting tempted to get more turn. I was bowling a bit short sometimes, and my batting area, I would tell that my calling was not appropriate. I would run for there was no double or single, and I should have improved my calling between the wickets, and I can get that by playing more and more matches, and I will learn quickly. What are my future plans? My future plans, of course, are to get into a good college where studies and cricket are really at a high level, so that I can pursue my dream. Like sports and studies are hand to hand. I want to pursue my dream and become a good cricketer as well as something in life. How will I improve myself? I will improve myself in cricket by consulting my coaches for advice, for getting advice like how to improve my weaknesses wherever I'm wrong, and I will just apply them in my next session anywhere, and I will keep myself fit, and I ensure that I won't eat much junk food from now on. My commitment towards the game. My commitment will be that in a day at least I will do crunches and push-ups, and I will start with 20 each. In a day, whenever I get free time, I will just do that. Otherwise, wake up early in the morning and do that. How was the tour? I feel that the tour was exceptionally well organized, but I would have liked more net sessions, and of course some sessions with Ben Scott sir and Ian Trott sir, which would improve us very much. Ben Scott sir can give us some T20 batting skills. My contribution. I contributed by scoring runs for my team when it was needed and bowled well. I also feel that I captained well. My highest score in this tour was 70 against skilled Scorpions, and best bowling figures 4 overs, 23 runs and 4 wickets against the same team.